Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending June 16th, the major indexes had a good week, with both the S&P and Nasdaq having the best weeks since March. Some good economic news and the Fed taking a pause on raising interest rates were the catalysts. The Consumer Price Index, or CPI, came in at a less than expected 0.1% in May, 4% year over year. Core CPI, which excludes food and energy, increased by 0.4% in May, 5.3% year over year. Energy prices were down 3.6% in May as energy commodities declined 5.6% due to a decline of 5.6% in the price of gasoline and a 7.7% decline in the price of fuel oil. The Producer Price Index, or PPI, declined more than expected 0.3% in May, 1.1% year over year. The weakness came from declines in food and energy prices, while the Services Index increased 0.2%. The Federal Reserve kept interest rates unchanged at 5 to 5.25%. Fed Chairman Powell said, and I quote, "It will be appropriate to cut rates at such time as inflation is coming down really significantly. And again, we're talking a couple of years out," end quote. Retail sales increased by a more than expected 0.3% in May, in large part due to a strong increase in motor vehicles and part dealer store sales. Import prices decreased in May due to a large decrease in the price of imported fuel. Export prices also declined due to a decline in agricultural export prices. And the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index increased from 64.9 in May to 68 in June. Year to date, the Dow is up 3.48%, the S&P is up 14.85%, and the Nasdaq is up 30.79%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 3.77%. Oil closed at $71.74 a barrel. Gold closed at $1,956.20 an ounce, with silver closing at $24.18 an ounce. For this week of June 20th, we have a light week of economic data. Tuesday, we'll get housing starts. Nothing scheduled for Wednesday. On Thursday, we'll get initial jobless claims, existing home sales, and the leading economic indicator index will be reported. The leading economic indicator index provides an early indication of where the economy is headed. Building permits, the stock market, and the yield curve are a few examples. And on Friday, the U.S. Services and Manufacturing PMI will be reported. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. In the meantime, be diversified with your investments and always know what you want in your portfolio. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video or would like to schedule a complimentary review of your portfolio, please give us a call. We are accepting new clients. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.